Hello, welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Sunandita and today I'm going to share with you a review of a foundation. Hit on the like button if you like this video and please connect it with me till the end. So let's get started the video. So the product I have, it is a Blue Heaven foundation. It is a stick foundation. It comes with a box kind of packaging. I am purchasing this product from Nykaa. If you want, I will provide the link below in the description box. You can check out there. So you will get the 6 shades of this foundation, which is very good. And the 6 shades name are Vanilla Very Fair, Cream Blush, Honey, Caramel, Toffee Tan and Chocolate Dusky. So you can check out your shade. I have the shade Toffee Tan. So let's see it works or not. And this foundation is waterproof. Here it is mentioned. So you can use this foundation as a foundation, concealer, contour and color corrector also. So let's see it works or not. And here also mentioned it is for all skin types. So you can see it is the inner packaging of this product. You can see its outer body is full black. All stick foundations comes with this packaging, I think. So I will show you opening this. It is this kind of, so you will get, you can see the quantity of this product. I will show you the swatch of this foundation and I have the shade Toffee Tan. So I will show you on my face so you can see, or also on my hand. So I will show you. You can see it blends very easily. You can see it is perfect match for my skin tone. So I will show you applying this. So I am prepped my skin already. I am applying sunscreen, moisturizer. So I am applying this and I will show you it blends or not. Okay. Wow. Can you see? It is my perfect skin tone match foundation. Wow. Even I'm applying the foundation, but it looks normal on my face. It looks exactly match. So I am not applying concealer here. I am only applying foundation and I will show you after blending how it looks like. So I am blending with a damp beauty blender. So now it is time to blending. It looks very natural. You can see it looks very natural. It won't give you full kind of coverage. It is only give you sheer coverage. It is perfect for college girls or you are working women. You can use this with the daily basis. And I am also applying it on my under eyes a little bit. So it gives me a sheer kind of coverage. It don't a full kind of coverage. It is good for me. I'm not like too much coverage foundation. I like sheared foundation which looks very natural. So it looks very natural on me and it don't feel very heavy on my face. My face can breathe very easily. It not looks too much. So I am using this foundation. For me this foundation is very good. So you can see, I will show you from near clearly. You can see blends very perfectly. If we talk about the price of this foundation, it price is I think 135 to 140, under 150. So under 150 this foundation is amazing, guys. Just blindly you can choose this foundation, but you have to choose your right shade. And if you want the right shade of the foundation video, then let me know in the comment section. I will show you how to choose perfect foundation for yourself. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.